As you can see here, two cucumbers growing on the same stem, and one will be dominant, that grows, take all the nutrient and will grow bigger. The other one will stay small. So now this one is ready to be harvested. I'm going to remove it and allow the second one to grow. This is a very nice fruit, and this one will grow in the next few days to become similar to this, hopefully. Cucumber, very hungry vegetables. The two items I'm going to use regularly on these cucumbers. First one is Epsom salt, and I'm going to use 1 teaspoon per liter of water. And this can has got 9 liters of water. I'm going to add 9 teaspoons of Epsom salt. And the other thing I'm going to use is seaweed concentrate. I'm going to add 50 milliliter of seaweed concentrate to 9 liters of water. And now I'm going to mix well. The Epsom salt dissolves easily with the seaweed solution. Now the Epsom salt is magnesium sulfate, which is helps the root absorb the nutrient from the soil. That's the main purpose of it. The seaweed is organic fertilizer that's you can not overuse no matter what you do, because it will dissolve well into the soil and it will help the plant getting all nutrient that needs to grow and produce well. So I'm going to water the base of the cucumber with the solution. Only the seaweed, 50 ml in a 9 liter of water. I will water these plants once a week, and then every month I will use Epsom salt with the seaweed. And this solution will be enough to sustain the health and production of the cucumber. Please, if you like this, don't forget to press the like button, share and subscribe. I appreciate your support very much so, and thank you so much for watching.